Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. I want to do a video walkthrough on this Boston Whaler 285 Conquest. It's a 2024 year model, less than 20 hours. Twin 250 Mercury engines on it. The boat has the optional sunshade, which we have rolled out here. Stepping into the cockpit, I've got macerated fish boxes on the port and starboard side. Nice flip down aft bench seat here. Coming over, got a flip flop bench seat here that turns into a mezzanine seat when it's folded the other way. And in this position, you've got a very nice port side lounge to port. And then this pulls out if you want a regular seat there. Over on the starboard side, got your helm, sink, storage, battery switches are here. Coming up to the helm, very nice Whaler. All the upholstery is in like new condition. Bolster seat here, helm, digital throttle and shift on those. Bow thruster there and Linko trim tabs. All your info here. Nice 16-inch display with Simrad, vent, GL audio system. Looking aft, it does have the full enclosures. I actually have the drop-down curtains off and up in the storage pad up here. Again, looking at that cockpit sunshade if you're just cruising and entertaining. Pulling up, you can tell this powers up. Nice large display, engine info. 18.4 hours as of April the 5th. Chart plotter sounder in there. Coming down into the cabin. Beautiful woodwork on the table. This does convert into a berth. Some rod storage up top here. Coming over to Medico air conditioning unit, JL audio head unit, remote for the JL audios there. Microwave oven, Medico refrigerator, small ice box in that as well, electric cooktop. Sink here, dropping down into the aft area. You've got some storage over there, and then scrolling around, berth, AC vent back there as well, some storage. Head, vacuum flush system, shower. Boat is equipped with a hot water heater along with a generator. So underway, you've got you can run your AC, you've got a hot water heater, all the amenities. The boat's set up with the cruise package, so you got dockside water as well that can be plugged in there underneath the shore power cord. Again, motors are in great shape, no paint missing on the skegs or anything like that. It's a very nice, clean, lightly used boat. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. If you have any questions, give us a call. MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. My name is Andy Farmer, 910-264-4818, 910-264-4818. Look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.